British defence engineering firm Supacat has secured its first export contract with the Czech Ministry of Defense for 18 HMT Mk3 Extenda high-mobility vehicles, a system known in the UK as the Jackal 3 Extenda. The platforms will be delivered to the Czech Army's 601st Special Forces Group, a premier rapid response and special reconnaissance unit, replacing aging Land Rover models currently in service. The announcement comes ahead of the DSEI 2025 Defence Exhibition in London, where Supacat will showcase the Extenda platform. Built for mobility and modularity, the Jackal 3 Extenda is a 4x4 or 6x6 configurable system capable of reaching speeds up to 120 km per hour, 75 miles per hour. The vehicle is already in service with multiple Allied Special Operations Forces. According to Supacat, the Czech order builds on the British Army's long-term investment in the platform. This announcement vindicates our unwavering conviction that the Supacat Extenda provides the Czech Armed Forces with not only the best combat performance but also substantial industrial partnerships, said Phil Applegarth, director and head of Supacat. The Extenda variant is based on the operationally proven HMT platform, featuring a modular architecture designed for flexibility across mission profiles. The vehicle can be equipped with a wide range of mission-specific modules including communications, CUAS, I-STAR systems, weapons, and additional armor kits. The Czech Armed Forces 601st Special Forces Group, which will field the new vehicles, is a strategic-level unit tasked with offensive actions, special reconnaissance, and support operations. Supacat's HMT series has already proven effective in similar roles with UK and Allied forces, including during operations in Afghanistan. The company's Czech industry partner, LPP, will play a key role in localized industrial participation. The 601st will get the best ruggedized vehicle on the market while the Czech economy will benefit from the substantial share of industrial participation which Supacat has entrusted to us, said Miroslav Žižka, managing director of LPP. Žižka also emphasized the cost-effectiveness of the acquisition, noting that the Czech government secured pricing consistent with that paid by the British Army. The vehicles benefit from an established UK production line and mature supply chain, allowing economies of scale. The Extenda's dual-drive layout, 4x4 or 6x6, and modular load beds make it suitable for a wide range of mission sets. It is capable of being reconfigured over its lifetime to meet evolving tactical requirements. The vehicle is available in both left and right-hand drive configurations. Nick Ames, CEO of SC Group, Supacat's parent company, welcomed the announcement as a validation of the UK's defence export strategy. "This is terrific news. We have been developing our relationship with a range of European defence forces who are attracted to the vehicle system's incredible performance and flexibility and value for money, but also by a system which, in these unstable times, is 100% designed, developed and proprietary to the UK," Ames said. The Czech order is seen as an important milestone for Supacat and may help open doors to additional European customers. The company continues to update the HMT platform based on lessons learned from recent conflicts, including operations in Ukraine, and has positioned the Jackal 3 Extenda as a combat-ready, adaptable solution for modern special operations forces.